just got out of class, and what you see right there is a stationary rainstorm right there. That thing literally been parked for more than an hour. So there's torrential rainfall within that little cell. It's over Carson, and we'll see what happens in the next hour. Is it monsoonal season already or what? Because these clouds are looking so good right now. And that stationary thunderstorm that was over Carson dumped so much rain over there. Don't have an exact amount, and I don't know if it caused a lot of flooding, but for sure there's urban flooding down there. But just look at this cloud structure right here. Can you believe that same storm over Carson been parked for more than 2 hours? And there's a lot of cloud development in that general area right now. So I wouldn't be surprised if that storm lasts even longer, but I'll keep looking at it. Look at that cell. Look at that. That thing looks unreal. Look at that. Alright, so what's happening over Carson right now may be historical. That storm literally been parked for more than 3 hours. Been tracking it since 11 in the morning, and wow, so much cloud convection in that general area. So there's no sign of that storm weakening, but I'll be tracking it as the afternoon goes on. But just a general view of LA right now.
Family Pest Control, here's Denise Fondo.
We've got a closure on the 710. All this rain causing flooding, closing down the roadway. The 710 northbound off at Artesia, CHP is there to help you off the roadway. Southbound side, you're off at Alondra, and you've got big backups in both directions. Now, of course, if you're being taken off the roadway on those ramps, you're going to have to find a surface street to get through the area. But if you want to take another freeway, that's a better idea.
I see a brand new cell that just started developing just south of downtown LA, and that thing looks pretty evil just by seeing it from this vantage point. So there's a big storm cell just south of LA right now, and wow, the sky looks ominous from right here. Look at the sky. Look at this. That looks incredible. I haven't seen anything like this in LA since 2003. Observing some storm activity north and northeastern of LA. So here's a general view of downtown LA, and the storm that was over Carson moved out at exactly 3:20 p.m. after being there since 11 in the morning. The storm activity over Pasadena, which is north of downtown LA. Very large raindrops near La Cañada Flint Ridge on my way to Pasadena, and everything just ended. I'm in Pasadena right now. Just a little light rain over Pasadena in the sun. That's another storm cell over the west side. That's a brand new cell, just formed like 30 minutes ago. Very heavy rain happening down there too. Ooh, and that looks beautiful over there. West LA, Santa Monica Boulevard, West Hollywood, they're getting in it. Look at that little cell right there. Something very nice to see out here. Some rain in the sun. That looks really nice. You can see LA right there. Very nice, and the rain is getting a little harder too.